Hey everybody, it's Robert with RC Archery. So just to recap everything that's going on today, got my HyperEdge here. Got new strings put on it from Twisted X bow strings, just kind of roughed in. If you've seen the DVD on my bow setup, you'll know kind of what I'm doing in my process on here already. Just got a standard loop put on it for now because I'm just going to look at how everything is timed, how everything is set up, draw length. I'm going to get everything fine-tuned. Once that's there, I'm going to check for how it aims and holds on target, see if I need to change loop height up or down. And once I get everything squared away, then that's when I'm going to go through, time my knocking points, put everything on, and have a standard setup from that point on. Got 65 mods on there right now. The draw stop here on the bottom, so you'll see here, when it's rolling through the cam cycle, it's actually touching on the cables a little bit. So that's the exact same problem as the other one that I had that I worked on with the guy or for a guy, and probably going to end up doing some filing on the just the draw stop itself on the back side of it, and just take the extra excess off of it. That way it's barely touching it at all. And honestly, at first, I'm just going to shoot it and see how it tunes and see if it becomes a problem, of wear or anything like that, because it's just barely touching. So we'll see if I have to do anything with that. I've got a few of my accessories installed on here already. Just arrow rest, away from my side. I've got my front stabilizer bracket put on. Don't have a back one yet. Realize I don't have the right bolt for that, so I've got to go to Home Depot and get one of those. So that'll be update for tomorrow. Got it kind of things roughed around. I'm gonna play with different things. I've got it 65% mods, but I'm adjusting it to get 70% let off, so it'll be like my podium that I run too. So we'll see how that works. See if that's something that I end up being able to do. I don't know. I mean, we'll just see. Right now, the draw length on it in the 28 setting is a little bit short for me, and the 28.5 setting is a little bit long. I'm going to try to keep it at the 28 and lengthen things out because I want the extra let off. So we'll see if that'll work. I'm pretty close. I think I can get it with the string and get it pretty spot on without changing the let off and the peak weight too very much. And got everything else just kind of set up with the cables. That's where I started originally. So it's a 60-pound max bow. Got it backed off 4 turns. Had to back it off. It brought it up to 64 pounds with getting it at 70% let off. So I backed it off 4 turns, right at 56 right now. So 2 pounds per turn, like it's supposed to be. And got that going right now, and just gonna pick it up tomorrow and just kind of play with it some more. I'm gonna try to keep the 65% mods on there because I like the back wall feeling on it a little bit better. The aluminum draw stops on there with that mod package has a really positive feel on the back wall. It's really solid. So it's kind of similar to what a spiral cam on the back wall would feel like. And that's something that I do like. I may end up going to an 80% let off to run with that for a different reason. I'll probably talk about that at some point in time through the build, but for now I won't get too very deep into all that. Thanks for following along on Instagram. I'm gonna keep posting some stuff every day as I do this, and then do a recap video every night. I'm gonna post, I don't know if it's gonna let me post the full videos on Instagram because they're kind of long, so they may go on my YouTube channel. So if you're not a subscriber on there, go subscribe for me. Show me support like that, because believe it or not, if you've never worked with it before, ever dealt with it, the subscribers, that is a big talking point whenever you go to try to sell advertisements or sponsorships later on or something, to where I can go to a company and say, hey, all these people support me, and I can use my networks to be able to help support you. And of course, with any of that, I mean, it's going to be companies that I believe in and I'm going to use. But appreciate that if you'll subscribe, and I'll just keep doing these updates and keep everything going. Talk to y'all soon.